Hi guys, this is Jeff Hyder. I was just doing this assignment. This is a statement of cash flows in the indirect method. It is pretty simple and straightforward. It covers the uh, net income. You just plug in everything in the 200,001 $500 goes into the net income. You just pull it down and then you add in the net cash provided in the down slot, and then you add in the decrease and accounts receivable for 87,100, and then you add in increased prepaid expenses, and that's actually a negative, so you subtract it from the total, and then you increase in inventories, which is a negative also. um, you subtract 42,800, and then it gives you a total, once you add all those up and subtract them, of 16,100. And then you add the 201,500 into the 16,100, and it gives you a grand total of 217,600. And that's basically it. Thanks. Bye.